Good morning, Love Posse, and welcome to today's conversation. Our connection to nature is deep. Our connection to nature is deep. Let's think about this. We walk on the earth. Without the earth, we wouldn't be here. We wouldn't have a home. The earth grows our food. Without food, we wouldn't survive. Water runs through the earth. Without water, we wouldn't survive. The sun rises and sets, provides us light and warmth. Without the sun, we wouldn't survive. Nature produces oxygen. Without the oxygen, we wouldn't survive. Our connection to nature is deep. And in spite of everything that we humans do to nature, the fracking, the raping, the polluting, nature still provides. We pollute the water and waste our water source. And although our water has diminished, it's still here for us to drink. We've depleted the soil of the organisms that provide the nutrients for our food that grows. And in spite of that, the earth still grows our food. We've polluted the air with toxins and chemicals, causing the sun's radiation to be intense. And in spite of that, the sun still shines. We've carelessly and ignorantly and mindlessly burned down the rainforests that produce almost 20% of the Earth's oxygen. And in spite of that, we still have oxygen to breathe. The earth still cares for us in spite of our own ignorance and carelessness. The earth shows us something that we must learn: unconditional love. Unconditional love. In spite of everything that we do, the earth provides for us. The earth loves us unconditionally. Because in spite of our ignorance, in spite of our robotic machine-like behavior and thought process, nature knows that we are nature. And nature takes care of its own. And that's what the earth does. That's what nature does for us. Takes care of us. In spite of our disconnect, our connection to nature is deep. Our connection to nature is deep. Something for all of us to think about. Woo! Thank you for your time. Who loves you? I sure enough love you. And so does nature, unconditionally. It's time that we love, we learn that we love. It's time that we love. It's time that we learn to love nature unconditionally. Namaste. Namaste.